Hello, today we will guide you through how to export HubSpot Contact Properties. To begin, open HubSpot and make sure you are on the home screen. This is your starting point and gives you access to the main navigation areas you'll need for the export process. If you've just logged in, you'll typically land here automatically. Once you're on the home page, move your cursor to the left-hand navigation menu and hover over Contact. This will reveal the available options related to contact management. Taking a moment to hover rather than clicking too quickly helps ensure you choose the correct section. From there, click on Contacts. This will open the main contacts area where your contact records are listed. This page is where HubSpot lets you manage, review, and export contact-related information. If your account contains a large number of records, give the page a moment to fully load before continuing. Next, look toward the top right area of the screen for the export option. It may appear among other action buttons, so scan that section carefully. The export tool is what allows you to download your contact data and related properties from the current view. When you locate it, click Export. This will open the Export Setup window. At this stage, HubSpot will guide you through the available export options on screen. Follow the on-screen procedure to prepare the export. Depending on your account settings, you may be asked to confirm details such as the file format or what information should be included. Read each prompt carefully so the exported file matches what you need. As you move through the export setup, it's a good idea to double-check your selections before finishing. This can help prevent the need to repeat the process later if something is missed. If the system takes a few seconds to respond, that's normal, especially for larger contact lists. Once you've completed the on-screen export steps and everything looks correct, click Export again to finalize the process. HubSpot will then begin generating your export file. In many cases, the file may download directly, or you may receive access to it through the platform once processing is complete. And that's it. You've successfully started the process to export HubSpot Contact Properties. Following these steps carefully will help make sure your data is exported smoothly and accurately.